I grew up largely in Hyderabad, but one of my best times as I was growing up in childhood was spent in my grandparents' village. I used to go with my grandfather to the fields, just do paddy harvest and sometimes sleep in the farm to guard the harvested paddy. And definitely that was one of the most memorable things that I experienced during my childhood. There is something that I really love about that village, from where my mom came from. In that street, there were about 6 homes. I could have my breakfast at one home, snack at another place, lunch at the third place, and dinner wherever I wanted. So basically, that entire street raised me. It's not just my grandparents' home. That memory is one of the dearest memories that I had. So when I then used to come to the city, which is where in Hyderabad, where I largely grew up, I realized that it's very different, right? And I knew that that is the kind of life I probably liked more. We previously lived in an apartment complex which had 8 flats. So, we probably don't even know their names for some of them. So it's such disconnected lives. I really felt that those were houses but not homes, because a home for me should actually invite me.
As a child, I grew up in a community which was always like, we stayed as a family than like neighbors. There were moments when there was a power cut and all of us would just come out shouting, and we used to just sit in a place. The elders would chat and we as youngsters would play a lot. We started having that disconnect with the neighbors because of the apartment culture that we had in city. And only after moving into Nandi, we realized that we again got back to the community living. It gave me a lot of joy, like sharing, there are like small things that we share with our friends in the community. It gives me a lot of happiness. And then I started connecting them to my childhood memories, and my kids also started growing up with neighbors particularly. They take care of them like as their own.
When I start back, the first element which invites me home is my family, which is very happy, where my kids get to run around in the farms, get to just go harvest some vegetables and eat, and I don't have to bother about that. They get to cycle all around the community without really having to worry about, is it safe or not? So I think just the sense of happiness which comes from sense of safety, right? That is phenomenal.
And I think we have lived in an apartment previously for good 5 years, good 4 years probably, till my son was 3. But he never had this connect with anyone, and they didn't have open spaces as well. My daughter has always been a clingy person who always used to cling to me. But after coming here, even she started exploring the places and all. She can go to a neighbor and say, please drop me to my home, I'm not able to walk. So that definitely gives us immense joy, that she takes freedom going to people and talking to them and being herself.
There is a community of people who believe in living close to nature, because I believe living close to nature is much more than greenery. Living close to nature breeds a lot of empathy in people. It really triggers a lot of holistic thinking in the mindsets. So that kind of people to raise my kids, right? I mean, because I'm a true believer that kids are raised by the community, not just by parents. So from that context, the beautiful people with whom my kids get to grow up, all the influencers for them, that is something which is phenomenal.
I am a person who enjoys, who finds joy in small things like a sunrise, or just take a cup of coffee to the pond and watch that ducks in the water, or a sunset, a full moon night, and just picking up these flowers and just placing them in a small vase. These are the things that give me immense joy. I always admired them, and going on a holiday for me was for these reasons. And it was all disconnected living in a city home. Then when we shifted to Nandi, I just started reliving all these moments, and they gave me every day used to give me immense joy watching everything. It's just open the window and have a look of the farm. It's my day is done, or I just need this for the day.
The beautiful sound of silence. I find it really meditative. I enjoy reading books, and particularly when there is sound of silence. it's difficult to get sound of silence because the sound of honking is what literally takes over the world today. So I think that's a delightful experience of enjoying the nature in its entirety. I think that is what makes this place like no other place. This is so special. This is so unique. This is just one of those rare privileges that somebody should have, to get to wake up and breathe fresh air, to wake up and see beautiful birds, to wake up and enjoy the sunrise.
After moving into Organo, we have like experienced the best in our life, like say nature, people, and the experiences that we had. And we definitely know that it'll just multiply. It is just going to multiply in future. So it was like we didn't have any thought investing into Antaram or moving into Antaram. We just know, or we believe that it is going to be the best version, next best version of Organo.
So we believe as a family that it should, whatever we do, it should do good to our family financially, in terms of overall well-being, in terms of environment, in terms of the people around us. You know, you get up to see, you know, a happy village next to you. You get up to see happy neighbors next to you, right? So I think that kind of a win-win model is what true sustainability is about. And what I feel like excited about Organo's Antaram is that directionally it is about creating a win-win ecosystem for people who want to live there, people who come to work there, the villagers who are our neighbors, and the beautiful planet where we live. I think this is phenomenal. How many people can say that we are a part of a beautiful win-win ecosystem?